everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup video and I'm so excited for it. I feel like I haven't done makeup in so long. I have just been filming other things, vlogging, vlogmas and working. It's just so much else that I've been doing, but I'm actually collaborating with a really gorgeous and amazing YouTuber. She is absolutely insane at makeup and I'm so grateful to collaborate with her. So I'm going to put her name on the screen right now so you can go and subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to do a makeup look with this palette. So this is the Makeup Revolution Friends palette. And it is just so adorable. It's like a little mirrored door thing. I don't watch Friends, so I don't know what this is all about, so let me know down below. But this is the colours that we've got, and I have got vlogging to do today. I've got a gift guide to film today. I've got so much to film. So I'm going to be doing my makeup. So I'm going to dive right into this palette, and we both don't know like what makeup look we're creating, but I'm just going to create something that I enjoy and she's created something that she enjoys. So the first colour that I'm going to do, I have done like the rest of my makeup, etc, and I am just going to do, I hope this is clean. Who needs to clean their makeup brushes? But they can't be bothered. I'm gonna go in with the colour Whiskerson, which is this like white colour, and I'm just gonna pop this all over my lids. And then I'm gonna go in with the colour Maple Candy, which is this nude colour, and I'm gonna pop her right in the crease. I haven't done my makeup in so long. This feels amazing. Anyway, I hope you guys are all okay. What are you guys up to? It is 10 days from right now when I'm filming, and I'm hopefully going to get this video up on the 15th. So it's going to be 10 days till Christmas. Are you guys ready for Christmas? Have you got everything sorted? Olivia's birthday was last year. My daughter, she turned 1, and it was amazing. We made the best of like 2020, I guess, and it was just really fun. But it was it wasn't even like I didn't get emotional about it. It was just very fun and exciting. She opened all of her presents and she really had a lovely day. And then it's Christmas soon, so it's more presents. But yeah, I just want to thank you for like all your lovely messages about Olivia's birthday. You guys are just so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a darker colour, which is sort of the outer corner. I don't want to do anything too crazy because it's just not me. I'm a very neutral person, so I don't want to go too crazy. So I think I'm going to take Mac and Cheese, this brown colour, and pop her right on the outer corner. And I'm also going to pop a little bit on the inner corner. What I love about this palette is how like versatile it is. You can really go with really glam looks, or you can create like more natural looks. And like I said, that's the kind of person that I am. The person I'm collaborating with is very full glam. She'll do bright pinks, bright purples, but I just don't feel like it's me. I feel like I like browns and nudes and not oranges, but peaches and stuff like that. So, but we are going to create a nice little moment today. A little soft glam, shall we say. Smells always comes in when I'm filming. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with, I don't know if I should go with a pink or if I should go with this really nice like silvery colour. I think I'm going to go with this, I don't know, you know. No, I'm going to go with this colour actually, Orthodontist, which is like a nice gold colour. I'm just feeling gold vibes. Like, I did a self-tan last night and I'm just feeling like it would look really, really nice. Ooh, it's pretty. And this is a halo eye. This is like the easiest eye makeup look that I've ever done. Snug, stop eating plastic! Sorry, the corner colours. So you just want to pop it back on. Welcome to my channel. Honestly, I have the weirdest cat in the world. If she's not eating plastic, she sits by the tap waiting for you to literally put the tap on, or she sits in the sink, or she gets in the bath. She's weird. If you watch my vlogs, you'll see what she's like. Okay, so I'm really happy with that. I think what I'm going to do lastly is... Snugs, will you pack it in, please? I'm going to take this orthodontist colour and I'm just going to pop it under, like, the brow bone. Just to give a little some. Like so. And that, you guys, is pretty much the makeup look that I'm going to do. So, what I like to do, I'm not really a false lash person. I really love lashes that are natural. You know when you see someone that's got really natural lashes but they're just so voluminous and like lifted and they're just so natural. They just look so good. I love that natural look. I love false lashes but just not on me. Like I think other women look amazing with it and blokes, but just for me, I just feel like they just don't look right on me. And they'll end up on the floor. Olivia will pull them off. Like, there's no point. So I like to curl my lashes. I've been really into curling my lashes at the moment, actually. And go in with the mascara. When it comes to mascara, like with lashes, if you really take the time to build them, curl them, and then build it back, curl it, they can look really good. So the mascara that I'm going to use is the Technic Intoxicate Mascara. This is actually really good. I ended up picking this up in Body Care, I think it is. Body Care, it's like a really big shop and it does like all kind of beauty products, but like for different prices, like cheaper prices. And I've used Technic cosmetics before and I like them, so I thought I'm going to try this mascara and I've actually really like it. I think it's quite good. So who's enjoying Vlogmas, by the way? If you do watch my channel, who is enjoying Vlogmas? I think Vlogmas is just really difficult to post every single day, especially with a child or a baby, whatever you want to call her. She's like a child to me now. But I love Vlogmas. I think it's so fun and exciting because you get a video like every day. But some people are doing Vlogmas where they're doing like a few days in one video, or like Vlogmas week 1, Vlogmas week 2. I am just trying to do Vlogmas when I can because it is really difficult. Because yes, I have a YouTube channel and stuff, but I also have my blog and I'm getting work all the time. I've got so much work to do today for my website. It is unbelievable. So sometimes dedicating a whole day to filming and editing and getting it up can be really difficult because it's not just the filming and editing. You've got the thumbnail, you have to like really work hard with descriptions and tags, and it's all time consuming, and when you've got a little one it can be quite difficult. So I know you guys understand, and I feel like Vlogmas, the way I'm doing it, is working. I feel like it's working for you guys and me. Anyway, can you see the difference? Like, that is just with pretty much like one coat. I like it. I like how natural it looks. I'm not a very full glam person. I'm just not really, to be honest. I think ever since becoming a mum as well, that you don't really have the time to sit and do false lashes and wing liner and all of that. You just want to look decent and put together. And I've just mastered this everyday makeup look now that I just love so much. But sometimes false lashes just literally make me nervous. So, oh my god. Snugs, please. This is not professional. Do I want to put mascara on my bottom lashes? I don't know, to be honest. I don't think I do. Do I? Don't I? No, I don't. So you can go on and build it up if you want. This mascara is really, really good. And it was so cheap. I think it was like £3. But yeah, I really love this look. I'm so happy with it. I love the palette. I definitely recommend you guys to check this palette out. If you are a Revolution fan like me, like if you followed my channel for a while, you know that I love Makeup Revolution. I try and get their bits as soon as they post them out, like as soon as they release them, I try and get their stuff, but they constantly release things. I just literally can't keep up with it. But they're an amazing brand. This palette is a very, very fun palette. I feel like just the way it looks, I wish I knew what it was all about. Like, I genuinely don't watch Friends, and maybe I should. I think I said I will try it with Vlogmas, so maybe we should watch it. I don't know, but anyway, there's something cool about this palette. They've got names and stuff like Cups and Ice, Birthday Flan, Dr. Drake, Ramaray, and all of these names mean something about the show. And then you've got the Open the Door palette, that's what it's called. So I don't know about that, but first impressions, the palette is really good. I love the fact that you get a mirror. I think that's really cool. I love the shades. I love that there's like nice natural nude shades, but then there's like bam bam full glam shades. They're really good, like blend really well. They mix really well. They just, it's a really good palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. I'll put all of that information down below. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye.